ChatGPT versus Gemini 3. Who can build the best Hollow Knight game in just 5 minutes? Okay, here we have our master prompt for the Hollow Knight game. It's a 2D game style, and we have game requirements in our prompt. Okay, so let's see if ChatGPT can build us the best Hollow Knight game, and let's paste our master prompt and see how it's going to cook.
Open your eyes, Patrick!
Okay, here we go. We have our HTML, our CSS, and our JS file for the Hollow Knight game. Let's jump into the web and see how the game is.
What?
All I see here is just an empty wasteland. Like, I'm expecting the game to look like this, but what's this? So I think this is
It's the biggest piece of dog shit that I have ever heard.
Okay, so thank you very much, ChatGPT, for nothing, but your time is over. So we're moving on to Gemini version 3. Okay, so we use the same master prompt we use on ChatGPT, and let's see what Gemini version 3 is going to give us. Okay, so for the final dish, let's see what the Hollow Knight game from Gemini 3 looks like. So we're going to go live on our web server.
What?
Okay, here we have our version of Hollow Knight from Gemini 3, and before we comment on this, let's give an applause. The code and everything, you could see it from the expert coding from Gemini 3 and all the different features, all what it gave us. But let's start the game and see if it actually works.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Voila. And here we have a Pac-Man style game, but if you play the Hollow Knight game, you still see that it's the same thing, though we don't have like real characters and some really good UI. But let's see if it gives us that functionality of Hollow Knight. So trying that out. So we can jump, move. Okay, different steps that you could take, and well, overall experience, I would say it's a simple and easy game. Yes, but it's really good. It's playable. So yeah, you could get points for there. You see the HP bar and the rest. So it's overall experience is good. Yes, but maybe in the future we'll try to build something like this. Thank you all for watching this video. Please help subscribe to our page, like, share, and comment on what you like us to build next, which game you like us to work on next. And if you also like to get the prompt, you could check the link on the comment section. We've added the link, Google Drive link for the prompt. You could get it from there. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance.